welcome to this totally different new academic year. I am Divyanish. I know you will be very happy to make some new, creative and exciting things. Do you like colors? Yes. Which is your favorite color? Pink. Which is yours? Blue. Very good. We live in a beautiful world full of colors. Different persons have likeness or preferences for different colors. Now, in this class, shall we make something with color papers? Before starting our class, I would like to ask you, how did you spend your vacations? Holidays? Did you draw something? Did you paint a picture? I know you were totally busy with your summer activities. There were so many activities for you given by your teachers, isn't it? Okay, I know you all like to be in your home with your family members. You had nice time. Now, today, shall we make something with color paper? A house, a twin house, shall we make? Before starting, I would like to tell you the materials needed for making this twin house, paper craft. Okay, first is a color paper. This is origami paper. One side will be colored and one side will be white. Okay, this one is origami paper or marble paper. The next thing, you need a scale, color papers, pencils, a cardboard, any used cardboard, then a A4 size paper, sketch pen, then we need Fevicol also. So these are the main things which we need for today's activity. So shall we start making the twin house? Can you do along with me? So take a square piece of paper. Your favorite color. Take your favorite color paper. Now you are going to make a twin house. This paper craft is also called origami. Origami is a Japanese word. It means paper folding. So let's fold this paper into half. When we fold a square paper into half, which shape you got now? This is a rectangle, isn't it? Now we got a rectangle. After making like this, open it, you will get a line in the middle. Again close it. Fold it again. You will get a square. Okay children, now you got a square. Open it. Now you will get a line at the middle. Fold it towards the middle from the right side as well as from the left side. Fold it towards the middle. You will get like this. This paper should touch the center line. After making like this, put your finger inside and open up this like a mountain. Okay, got it? Similarly, open up this side also. Then you will get like this. Now we got two mountain shapes. Now our twin house is ready. We have to draw the door here with your pencil and highlight with your sketch pen. Draw windows. So I am going to keep it aside. Next is we have to make some flowers for a home. Okay, shall we make some flowers? For that, we need some color papers. Before making the flowers, I'll tell you the main folding in origami. This one is mountain fold. It looks like a mountain, isn't it? Mountain fold. The opposite of this. When it comes like this, it is valley fold. Mountain fold and valley fold. Okay, these are the main two folding in origami. Now, let's learn to make a flower with origami paper. There is a video for you. Let's enjoy it. In that video, you saw how to make the paper flower, isn't it? Once again, I'll tell you how to make the paper flower. Take a square piece of paper, cut it into half. Take one piece, fold it into half again. Fold it again. Once again. When you open it, you will get lines like this, so that it will be very easy for you to fold and make the Japanese fan. I hope you have made Japanese fan in small classes like this. Then from the middle, again fold it and take your Fevicol, stick it at the middle, attach it together, press, open it, you will get half of your flower. Then next step is make one more paper like that, make one more like that, and take your glue and attach it together. You will get your paper flower. You can make different types of paper flowers like this to decorate the home which you made. Next, I am gonna attach the house which I made into the A4 size paper. I have taken a A4 size paper and given border for that. Take the house which we made and stick it in that paper. Next, I am going to stick the paper flowers which we made the sides of a house with Fevicol. Then take a long strip of green paper and you can give stems. Apply Fevicol. Give stems for your flowers. Again take one more strip of paper, cut it, apply glue and stick it like this. Now, if you want to make leaves, you can take another square piece of paper, cut it into half so that you will get a triangle portion. Now you got a triangle portion when you cut that square into half. The same way which you fold, you have to fold again 3 times for making the leaf. Now I folded it like this. When you open it, you will get so many foldings. Now fold along that like this. Okay. From the middle, bring it towards the end. Attach the 2 middle portions. Again take Fevicol. Attach these 2 portions. You will get the leaf. Now you may attach the leaves to your flowers. Any way which you like, you can decorate your house, make beautiful flowers, draw sky, whatever you want to include in your scenery, you can include. I hope you like it. If you want it, you can take a cardboard, attach it to the cupboard and keep it as a wall decorative. I hope you like it, children. And here comes the assignment for you. Your assignment is take a A4 size paper, make a twin house, keep it in one side. You may add your drawings. You can make any number of flowers which you like. Attach it to the scenery and upload it. Don't forget. Okay, thank you, children. Have a nice day. See you next day. Bye-bye.